In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find wallet address on Robinhood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can find a wallet address for any cryptocurrency available on Robinhood. Keep in mind that wallet addresses are specific to each cryptocurrency, so you will need to find the address for a specified cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So, for example, let's say you want to receive Bitcoin. All that you have to do is use the search function and go over to the Bitcoin cryptocurrency page on Robinhood after you sign into your account. Once you go over to the Bitcoin page on the Robinhood mobile app, you will be able to scroll down, see the graph, see the price, and you should be able to find this QR code icon that I've highlighted here. All that you have to do to find your wallet address is to tap on this QR code icon. Immediately upon selecting this, you will be able to see the wallet address laid out, and also you have a QR code that can be scanned if you don't want to copy and paste the wallet address. Regardless, choose whichever option you prefer, and now you can go over to any other wallet or exchange service that you have and paste the Robinhood wallet address that you copied. Immediately upon pasting the address there, you will be able to send over the same cryptocurrency. I recommend that you send a small amount first to confirm that you copied the wallet address properly, and if the small amount goes through, you will be able to go ahead and send the rest. It is extremely simple, and you will be able to find the wallet address on Robinhood for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and Chainlink, and possibly others. And all that you have to do is tap on the QR code icon to receive Bitcoin accordingly. Copy the address and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to find wallet address on Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.